Coffee. Honestly, I'd much rather do this stuff and go live than sit there and fill up my storage on my phone and editing the videos. I mean, I still love making the videos and I'll still do that content, but I'd rather have the live audience. That's the fun part of it. Like, especially because last night when I was participating in the lives, like, you can just tell who's got like good vibes going on. Mad Matt Television, I believe that's what the channel I'm thinking of. That dude's awesome. Like, love him. And then I think there was Witchcrafter or something. I'll look him up later on after this. But big shout out to you guys. Your chat was just so interactive, so much fun, and it was like a really good vibe. It was like looking for kind of a release from all the stuff that's going on in the news right now, so you guys provided that. Thank you. Anyways, back to our presentation. Alright, done for tonight, but a little bit more shaping tomorrow and sanding, and that one will be ready.